Hi, Paul here from Pricewise, and today I'm at a good friend's house to check their insulation. A lot of older homes in Australia don't have enough insulation, so today I'm going to show you how you can do a 5-minute insulation health check on your home. First of all, we need to check if this house has any underfloor insulation. This can be done via an access panel, which in most cases is around the back of your house. Let's go in and have a look. Alright, we're under the floor now, and as you can see there is no floor insulation in this place. Since homes lose approximately 20% of their heat through the floor, insulating this place will make a huge difference to the comfort of their home. We're going to notice that there's less drafts, the floor will stay warmer underfoot, and the general comfort of the home will increase. So the first thing we're going to check is the depth of the floor joists. In this particular house, the floor joists are 240mm deep, so plenty of space for all our underfloor products. The next thing we want to check is the distance between the floor joists, which in this house is 450mm apart, which is a very standard size and means that we've got a great range of products that we can install here. Some of those products include the Earthwall Floor Shield, we've got the Bradford Optimo, the Ortex polyester range, and a few rigid products as well, such as the X-Pole and Foil board. Alright, that's the floor done. Let's go and have a look if there's any insulation in the ceiling. Alright, here we've got the classic manhole, which you'll usually find in something like your bathroom, laundry or closet. And this will give us access to the roof space where we're going to check the insulation. So we're in the ceiling now, and by looking around we can see that the ceiling is not that well insulated. It's got what we'd typically find in older homes, which is cellulose, which is a chopped up paper. And when we have a quick look at the depth of the insulation, we see that it's approximately 50 to 60mm thick, which is well below what they'd typically install today, which is probably around the 200mm of insulation. Approximately 45% of heat is lost through the roof, which is why it's a very important place to insulate. What we would probably recommend in a case like this, because the insulation is so uneven, we would recommend that this insulation be removed and that we install new insulation. Products that you could use for that would be something like your Knauf Earthwall, your Bradford or your Fletcher Pink Bats. We recommend that you install a minimum of R4, but would highly recommend that you look at either going for an R5 or an R6 to improve the overall efficiency and comfort of your home. All of these products are available on our website, so you can either reach out to us at pricewiseinsulation.com.au or give us a call and we can help you get the right insulation for your home.